Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself to Muhammad Faiz Hasur with the latest NPM 433 from the Management Study Program, Fakulti Economic and Business, UPN Veteran Jawa Timur. In this video, I will explain about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Introduce Muhammad Faiz Hasur, number 23012010433, Major Management, Faculty of Economics and Business, UPN Veteran Jatim. 1. Simple present tense. What simple present tense? Simple present tense. The simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The simple present tense is simple to form. Just use the base form the verb. I take, we take, they take. The third person singular takes, and as the end, he takes, she takes. Time expressions in the present tense. Time expression in the present simple. The most common time expression in the present simple are usually, always, never, on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, twice a week, once a month, in general, every other day. Time expressions made up of one word are placed between the subject and the verb in positive sentences, and question and between the auxiliary verb and main verb in negative sentences. Next, simple present tense. Positive sentences, subject plus verb 1, based at present form. Negative sentences, subject do not, don't, does, or does not. Negative sentences, subject plus do not, or do, don't, or does not, or does not, plus verb. Interrogative sentences, the, do, or does, or don't, or does not, plus subject plus verb. Positive sentences, Mario works in a plumbing company. Negative sentences, Mario does not work very hard in the company. Interrogative sentences, does he work very hard in the company? Next, simple present tense function. 1. To express habits, general, truths, repeat, action, or unchanging situation, emotion, and wishes. I smoke, habit. I live in France, unchanging situation. France is a modern city, general truth. I hope I can go to France, wishes. 2. To give instruction or direction. Go down this road and then the first right. It's on the right. 3. To express fixed arrangements, present or future. Your course finishes at 5 p.m. o'clock. Next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is a form tense what that is used to explain activities that are being carried out or taking place at this time or now, present. In Indonesia, this activity is usually marked with the words medium or more. Oh yes, this tense is also known as present progressive tense. Progressive here has the same meaning as continuous, namely it can be interpreted as continuous, repetitive, or ongoing. In essence, the present continuous tense function to show an activity or condition that is happening now, occurs frequently, and can be carried out or continued into the future. To better understand, try looking at examples of sentences in the present continuous tense based on the situation. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense formula consists of subject plus be, or are or is, plus verb 1, ing, plus complement. To be Miku friends can use is, are. Example. Positive example. She is working at the cafe now. She is working at the cafe now. Negative example. She is not working at all. She is not working at the cafe now. Is the working at the cafe now? Is he working at the cafe now? When you shouldn't use the present continuous, you may have noticed that all the verbs used in the present continuous tense in the examples above describe an action or process. These are called dynamic verbs. The present continuous tense normally requires a dynamic verb. Verb that instead describe a state of being such as emotion, belief, perception, or possession are called stative verbs. Some examples include prefer, appear, exist, and own. Stative verbs should not be used in the present continuous tense. To better understand, try looking at examples of sentences in the present continuous tense based on the situation. Next, present continuous tense function. The present continuous is used to describe an action that's going in this moment. You are using the internet. You are studying English grammar to describe and that is going on during this period of time or a trend. Are you still working for the same company? More and more people are becoming vegetarian to describe an action or even future. Which has already been planned or prepared. We're going on holiday tomorrow. I'm meeting my boyfriend tonight. Are they visiting you next winter? To describe a temporary event or situation. He usually plays the drum, but he's playing bass guitar tonight. The weather forecast was good, but it's raining the moment. Wait, always, forever, constantly, to describe an emphasis a continuing series of repeat action. Harry and Sally are always arguing. You're constantly complaining about your mother-in-law. Okay everyone, it is my video for about present continuous tense and simple present tense. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.